How to build a Flutter app from scratch. This video is all about creating a Flutter app from scratch. Hello viewers, welcome to iTechnoLabs. Today, let's simplify the process of making a Flutter app from scratch. But before that, do you know what is a Flutter app? A Flutter app is a cross-platform mobile application developed using the Flutter framework, known for its fast development, expressive UI, and native performance. Now let's discuss the steps to build a Flutter app from scratch. Step 1. Getting started. First, get Flutter. Just download and install it on your computer. Step 2. Project setup. Next, create your project with one command. Flutter create. Step 3. Designing your app. Then, sketch out how you want your app to look. Step 4. Coding your UI. Now, let's code. Use Flutter's widgets to bring your design to life. Step 5. Testing your app. Test your app on different devices to make sure it works smoothly. Step 6. Final touches. Finally, add the finishing touches and get ready to share your app with the world. See, building a Flutter app is as easy as pie. Ready to start? Contact iTechnoLabs, a leading Flutter app development company today, and let's make something amazing together. Thanks for watching.